Bonjour les amis, aujourd'hui nous allons continuer avec les sons nasaux. Dear friends, today we're gonna be continuing the nasal sounds in French. The second part is a sound, as you can see in the name, Constantin. Okay guys, let's regroup them in two parts. Alors les amis, regroupons-les en deux parties. The first part is a with the an, am. The second part is a with en and em. Très bien. Examples. Exemple. A with an and a with en can be found in the word pendant, which is during. Okay guys, one more practice with the sound A. J'arriverai pendant les vacances. J'arriverai pendant les vacances. Ensuite, les amis, nous avons un avec am et un avec em. Un campus. Un campus. Le temps. Le temps passe vite. Le temps passe vite. Okay guys, let's practice a while. Guys, we have the word enchanté. Enchanté. As you can see here, this word can be masculine plural, feminine, or feminine plural. Nice to meet you. Ensuite. Then or next. Rencontrer, to meet. Randonner, to hike. Ramper, crawl, to crawl. Okay guys, as you can see here, the nasal sound problem with the ending n and the ending m is almost same. We have on and r with n and with m. It will be remain same, like behind b and p. We cannot say r with the en or r with the an. It will be r with the am or r with the em. Good, we hope you understand.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.